Hello and welcome. My name is Ekene Opara, and in this video I'm going to be doing a quick demonstration of a custom model using SITL on RealFlight 9.5 and ArduPilot Mission Planner. So here I have my custom model loaded. I am going to change the camera view so we have a closer view of the aircraft. So here I have the CAD file of the aircraft. It's just a simple conventional aircraft with a pusher prop and a parasol wing configuration. So it is designed to be very light, simple and functional. The optimal weight is 1.5 kilograms, while the maximum weight I am designing for is 2 kilograms. So I was able to design this aircraft, do the conversion using Blender and import into RealFlight. So here I have the aircraft all set up with the flight control and all, and I'm going to be doing a very quick auto plan. Load the file. This, okay, yes. So here I have a very simple plan in the shape of a pentagon. I'm going to write this to the flight computer and then read it so that it appears in our data page. Okay, so usually I prefer to control the takeoff of the aircraft, because from the design of this aircraft, which is where the advantage of SITL comes in, I was able to find a few issues, a few flaws, and I was able to come up with methods of mitigating those flaws. So here I am going to quickly take off. So here I have my aircraft in the air. I'm going to trim it out a bit, and then actions, I can set my auto mode so that it can start tracking. I set the altitude of every waypoint to about 20 meters. So we have that at waypoint 1. Moving now to waypoint 2.
Error POS rise variance.
Then from waypoint 2 to waypoint 3. So the beautiful thing about this SITL is that I have not created a physical model of this aircraft yet, but to a great extent I already understand and I'm already familiar with this aircraft because of its design. One major thing I noticed was because of how high the thrust line is from the center of gravity, there's a tendency of the aircraft to tip over if power, especially on the ground, if power is put in suddenly. So I have been able to find a way to mitigate that, and although I have not modified it in the SITL model, I now know to move my landing gear, my main gear, forward a bit to ensure that I am able to land, I am able to mitigate the issue of tipping. So here I have my aircraft on approach, and then I'm just going to assist this approach, and here we have it has landed successfully. So thank you so much for joining me on this one. If there are other things you would like to see in coming videos, I intend doing deeper introductions and demonstrations regarding SITL with Mission Planner and RealFlight on different custom models, whether fixed wing models, VTOL models, or quadcopter models. Thank you very much for joining me.